Hello there, good day to you. You're welcome back again to another awesome tutorial. Today in this video, I want to teach you how to create a professional Facebook page. It's really very simple. The very first thing I'm going to do is that ensure that you have actually logged into your Facebook profile. Now, what the next thing I'm going to do is that come to this particular place here, this place, show your profile picture of these three dashed lines, and just click on it once. Once you click on it, if you have already having odd pages, this arrow is going to drop. You understand? Drop this particular arrow down and hit on where it says create profile, create Facebook profile. You understand? But if yours is not showing this way, don't worry. Scroll down until until you see where it says see more. Click on where it says see more. Once you click on where it says more, do you see where it says pages? Click on where it says pages, and you're actually going to be brought to this particular interface. Now, once you are in this particular interface, click on where it says create. Click on where it says create once. Once you click on where it says create, you're going to hit on where it says professional and click on where it says next. Once you click on where it says next, it's going to ask you to choose your page name. In my own opinion, let me just, for a tutorial, let me just choose online hustle TV. Once you click on online hustle TV this way, you're going to click on where it says next. Here, this one, say next. Click on where it says next, and you'll be brought to where it will ask you to choose the category at which this particular page is going to be about. What this means is that when you create your Facebook page, what a category are your contents going to be based on? Is it going to be based on health? Is it going to be based on beauty? Is it going to be based on music brands? Is it going to be based on marketing? Is it going to be based on convenience stores? Is it going to be based on tutorials like mine? You understand? So if it is going to be based on tutorial, just type digital creator, social media management, social media, you see social media agents. Just click on this way and just click on 3 different categories. Then now click on where it says create. Now once you are done, click on where it says create, and just like that, your page has already been created. I'll say welcome to Facebook page. Now the next thing you're going to do is that you are going to set on all other settings here. Let's start. The very next thing you're going to do is that, do you see this particular 3 dots, this one? Click on it this way. Once you click on it, come to where it says edit, this one, edit. Click on edit once. Once you click on edit, come to where it says edit profile. You understand? Ensure that you already have an eye catching profile. You understand? Profile that is, when whoever sees it, the person will be magneted to your page. As for my own case, I just want to choose a random profile. Do you understand? Once you click on whatever random profile you intend to use, just click on it and just add it. All right, and just add it to it. All right, add it to it and just save this particular profile picture. Now, is this one, ensure that you have actually created a cover photo. What this does is that whoever comes to your Facebook page, the person is going to see that yes, the Facebook page will actually capture this particular person and start to tell this particular person with only the cover photo that this is what this particular page is all about. You understand? Now, the next thing I'm going to do is that, do you see the particular place? Add your Facebook cover photo this way. Now scroll down to where you see where it says bio. This one say bio here. Click on it and just write a very short bio. Let me just say hi, you are welcome to my page. One of the greatest and most promising page on earth. After this, just click on where it says save, this one here, and just save it. You understand? Once you've saved it, now come here. Sorry, I'm coming. Now come here. Ensure you put your phone number. Ensure you have added your WhatsApp number, and ensure that you have added your email. Once you've done all of these settings, you saved all of these settings. I say congratulations to you. Your Facebook page has automatically been created. And with this particular Facebook page, I believe and I assure you that you can make huge amount of money with it. You can make up to 500 to 100,000 US dollar every single month with absolutely free in creating awesome videos. You understand? In creating awesome videos. And if you do not have the products or the equipment to create awesome video, just hit on where it says subscribe to this particular video channel, and I'm going to be showing you a whole lot of things and on how to create not just Facebook page, but how to start uploading content to your Facebook page in order to avoid this particular video from absolutely being too long. That's why we are going to stop here in this video. So click on where it says subscribe to more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Obrigado.